Hey guys, hey girls, what's up? Totally unexpected. I'm here for a very first time since year 2024, December. Returning back to my local best self-serve laundromat here at Bridgeville, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Gonna be doing a load of my clothes and my mom's clothes and drying. And also, tomorrow when I'm here, I'll be doing the washers of, not the HBs. Last time I did this one, but I'm not gonna use these three, and those speed coins are rip off giant and those good. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing my the West comments because they do a good job. Anyway, I'm gonna be loading my clothes in the West coat dryer. But first, I'm gonna load the blankets because we have a lot of blankets we have to catch up on drying. Here we go.
I just want to know, this is still the man of the house, still the man of the house. Well, what are you doing, buddy?
Good to see you.
Did you meet my son over here?
Not yet.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, dryer broke at home.
That's terrible.
Yeah.
You have to learn to fix these things, buddy.
It's too hard, too impossible. It's too dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Working.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Keeps you busy.
Yeah, my job though.
Okay, so you're putting everything in the wash?
No, dryer.
In the dryer? It's all washed. Okay, why is it on the ground?
Oh, I didn't mean to. I was trying to get the blankets.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's a dirty floor. No, it's okay.
On low on the blankies,
Oh.
so you don't burn them up.
Those look like those plushy.
Yeah, you're going wrong.
I'm gonna load in towels into it as well. And then I'm gonna throw in a actually, alright, I'm just gonna do the dryer sheets. There they are. They fell on the ground. Floor. There we go. Looks like someone like a towel here. Looks like those are news. Looks like the West Cones are still there. That's good. We lost a long time. I'm gonna put this pillowcase on in here. Okay, looks good. Okay, looks good. Come on.
It's warm.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll heat it up.
Let's see.
Okay. We don't need that many loads.
No, I know.
We're gonna do 3 loads?
Yes.
Okay.
I got the blankets in that big one.
Alright, let's get it started.
All right. Oh. Oh, I didn't see it. So it looks like this one is broken. Never mind. This one used. Oh, it's hot. Oh crap! I was gonna use this one, but it's broken. Oh wow, those cones are still there. Yes. This one. Give me a second. I just got 3. That's all I got.
Okay.
Because one of the jars I was going to use is broken.
Okay, one.
Yep.
Alright, is this one ours?
No, that's someone else. There we go. This one. This one for blankets, towels, and this one's for my mom's clothes. Show you guys the dollars. Oh, wait. It's working. Little zebra scale. Soccer, BJ, and it's cleaned off though. I could try for BJ, but problem is I left them a lot. Like, Andrew's in here, so got a lot of. That's the zebra right there. I can't tell if the collar goes so far right down there or not, but I could try. Anyway, while I'm waiting on this, show you guys a tour. Give you guys a tour. We got these HP washers, $4.50. Got these ones right here. My mom likes to use them, $6.50. Got these. What's up, man?
Hey, buddy, how are you, man?
Good, how are you? Okay, then we got these HP water dryers. This one's broken. Speed Queen, which is rare. Here's was HP's. Here's my favorite ones. What's going? Looks like this one's working. It's fixed now. This one's still broken though. So, here's my favorite ones of West Comment. Looks like this one takes longer. Here's my favorite one right here. Got those, which is a rip-off. Over here, here's my favorite one. So looks this one's still broken. I wasn't sure. Anyway, this one. Here's this one right here. It makes a little weird noise. And here's this one right here. And here's my favorite one right here. Got these speed trees. Looks like these old speed queens are gonna get replaced now. This one, so here. Bunch of more jars, HPs, and speed queens. And these two are still broken now. Here's the Speed Queen 60 label washer. Here's this one, which is a rip-off because the hot water didn't work. Oh wow, the big one's broken. What are we doing? I'm shocked. And here's this one, it's just broken. Oh. I felt bad for it though. But so I'm surprised the big one's broken. Anyway, and then here's the minor washers with the old, and the store model. Here's these big ones. Next time I'll use. I'm probably gonna use them tomorrow because all I just know is I got hoodies, delicates I gotta do. But last time I was here, I did the was about a couple months ago. It was like almost gonna be a year ago now. And they're still clearing out the landscape though. And they're still gonna be replacing this band though. Last time I was here, I used those over there. What's comments and I mean, in my previous video, I did hold on, so I'm about to close it in here. So I'm not to come over here, but it's already been here for the last couple days. Anyway, so probably tomorrow, instead of using those, I made plenty of videos of those. I'm probably going to be using this one, and this one. Right here, because this one's still broken, which it is. I can still see an hour sign. And then, usually I use these ones right here. Last time, a couple times I did this one. But in this case, I don't have many videos of these ones right here. I don't have a video of me doing it before. And it's gonna take about a week, so I'm gonna do 2 weeks to get my washer fixed. Anyway. And so it is. And my washer at home works, but the dryer is broken though. Anyway, so we got 5 minutes on that one, West Coast dryer. 14 minutes on that one. Looks like someone's clothes are done on that one. It looks like that's not mine. Wait, is that mine? Oh, it's not mine. Here's mine right here. Never mind. This one has 5 minutes. This one has 13 minutes. It looks like someone else. His clothes are done. Here's these right here. That's HBs. This one was rip off. It's do not spin. It's a rip off. They did not do a good job. My mom likes to do some of these ones right here though. Although though, someday when I'm back in this location, when I do the next load, I will try this one, and I will try this one. Trying to figure out what's going on. Oh, this one's broken. Okay, never mind. So, some next year, 2026, I'll use this one. So tomorrow, mostly it's gonna be looking like I'm gonna be using this one. It's not broken or anything. I don't think it's broken or anything. No, it's not. So I'll be using the hot wash cycle tomorrow. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So I can get a video before, and then the end of the last week, before my washer gets repaired home, that washer gets repaired. Besides that, I mean, it's gonna get a check just to make sure it's working. Oh, this one's broken. Never mind. So this one is. We're here. Anyway, so next time and then maybe when I'm here, oh, looks like this one's broken. So next time when I'm here, I'm gonna try to give me a second one here. I'm gonna try to use this one right here because with the extra wash cycle because I did, and then maybe for the heck of it, just for the heck of it, it just depends if I want to or not. I'll use these 3 right here and see how it goes. Yeah, probably. Anyway, so that being said, yeah, it feels good to be back. So far, nothing's changed. That being said, thanks for watching.